Hi dear students, I'm glad to meet you again. Today, you're going to learn the difference among the determiners other, another, the other. Now, I invite you to watch 3 animations to explore how these determiners occur in real-life situations.
Hi Linda. What are you reading?
I'm reading The Old Man and the Sea by Ernest Hemingway.
Interesting. What other books by Ernest Hemingway have you read?
I have read A Farewell to Arms and The Sun Also Rises.
How can I help you, sir?
I'd like another piece of cake, please.
At once, sir.
Steve, which car do you prefer driving? This car or the other car?
I prefer the other car. It is faster and more comfortable.
Interesting.
I hope you have now developed a primary idea about the difference among other, another, the other. Now, let's go to the explanatory video for more details.
What other books by Ernest Hemingway have you read?
Other means additional, extra, or different types of something. We use it with plural and uncountable nouns.
I'd like another piece of cake, please.
Another means one additional, one more, or an alternative. We use it with singular countable nouns.
I prefer the other car. It is faster and more comfortable.
The other means the second of two things or two people. We use it with singular, plural, countable, and uncountable nouns. Dear students, the lesson ends here. Don't forget to subscribe for more lessons. See you soon. Goodbye. If you liked the lesson, subscribe, activate the bell, click like and comment. Finally, share the video.